Yo! What is up, guys? Nick Takai here, Let's Drift Media. Thank you guys for coming back to the channel. If it's your first time here, please hit that subscribe button down below. But on today's episode, we are going to SEMA 2021 with my boy Parker Irish. We're mobbing out in the new C8 Corvette.
Absolutely. You did it.
So I'll show you guys the Corvette. Maybe in another episode we'll do like a full breakdown so you guys can check it out. This thing's pretty badass. It's super fast, so we'll probably get to Vegas in no time. But never been to SEMA. This is my first time going, so really excited. Hopefully I can cover most of the event for you guys, show you guys some new tools, some nice car builds, stuff like that. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. So we'll see you in Vegas, guys. Finally made it. Took like 30 minutes to find parking. Or not find parking, but find the goddamn hotel. We're right here now, staying at the Vidara. Gonna go check in, unload all our stuff, and then head over to SEMA. I think I need a Corvette in my life now, guys. Alright guys, we finally made it into the hotel, and let me tell you, this place is fucking nice. For 240 bucks a night, can't complain. You guys a quick little tour before we pack up and head out. Not bad, not bad.
I upgraded the room because this comes with a couch that pulls out as a bed.
Oh,
so
okay.
That's a bed.
Okay,
so we have two beds.
Okay.
Because I asked them, I wanted to get because I originally got it one bed for just me and Marlene. You know, we were gonna share it if I couldn't get an upgrade anyways. But God, this is way better. It's like 2 rooms.
A TV on both sides. Jesus Christ. And a stove that we're not going to use. Alright, so we're walking around the whole hotel. Everyone else keeps telling us a different way to get to the goddamn shuttle. Hopefully we get to SEMA today, guys.
We made it, bro. We fucking made it.
Finally found the fucking shuttle.
Oh my god.
Okay, so the first shuttle was for a weed dispensary. Second shuttle, not SEMA. Apparently the SEMA shuttles stop at 10:30 in the morning.
Man, what?
Ah, we made it.
Fucking made it, bro. Let's go.
Only took an hour trying to find a taxi. Finally getting a taxi. But we're here, so now we just gotta figure out how to get our freaking media badge. Alright, we finally got the badge. Now we're ready to eat, and then we'll look around. We got the Toyota booth right here. So we got the new 4Runner and the new Tundra. This Tundra looks a lot sicker in person. Go over here. I think they have their off-road Tundra somewhere out here. Haven't really been vlogging much. There's so much out here. It's a little bit hard. So many people, so much to see. Kind of probably put like a little cinematic video together for you guys or something. But here it is. This thing looks nice. Got the cage up on the top. Nice little lift on it. Man, I want one. Maybe one day. Maybe someone will buy me one day. We're walking by. We had to stop at this Tesla. There's not any ordinary Tesla.
Electric cars, do you like Tesla?
That is next level. This chair is also next level. Wow.
That's why he's like in that market.
Channel.
Parker, what do you think of the SEMA show so far?
So far, it looks it's very interesting. A lot of people.
A lot of people.
A lot of cars.
Too much.
Too much.
I really think you need to come here for a full week if you want to get the full SEMA experience, but we're going to try and make the most out of it. Stopping at the Craftsman Club right now. So they got some toolboxes, carts out.
Very different diagnostics.
Pretty nice. Here it looks like they got some new tools. Well, at least the packaging looks different. It looks like we got some V series. Craftsman V series. I wonder if that's like their little higher end lineup of tools. Maybe like Harbor Freight's Icon. That's what I'm guessing. Here we got, it looks like some sockets. Pretty cool. I'm actually kind of curious to see how these V-lines do, because Craftsman's usually known to be a little bit more affordable, just like a lot of the Harbor Freight stuff. So I wonder what the pricing is on these. What is on here? Looks like the ultimate trailer. You going here?
Yeah. Oh, that's
What the hell?
Alright guys, today's episode.
This is a full trailer, dude.
Join the meeting. How much they want?
Front door.
How much they want for this?
You gotta live in this thing.
Why you sell all your houses and fucking your kids and shit?
Take out another
Get a
mortgage.
semi truck.
Yeah, yeah.
Dude.
Like, güey, todas.
Like a full kitchen in here.
Oh, this is fucking dope. This is offices. These are for fucking.
Oh yeah, computers and stuff. Oh fuck. Damn.
You know Ferrari, is it?
I think we're entering the wrong way.
Well, I got a.
There's a full shop in here.
Doesn't work for anybody over 6 foot tall though.
This is for the people who would be like, I need more tool space.
These are nice.
This is the ultimate trailer, man. Oh yeah, barely fitting in here. I mean, you can fit a car above you, so I mean, I wouldn't be complaining.
You get a couple cars.
Jesus. Dude, fucking RV. Get one of these.
And see these channels here just to lock everything down. So you can put shit in the middle here.
Oh, yeah.
And it locks it down.
Workbench right here.
This whole thing, these come out.
That's a cool little handle.
Yeah, the handle like locks it.
Yeah, I've never seen a handle like that. Jesus. Climate control? That is a next level trailer. This thing looks trippy.
It's electric.
Yeah. A little mind fuck though when you look at it. The solo jerker?
Babe, you want to go to dinner?
Alright guys, so we're down here on the bottom floor. They got a lot of wheel balancers and wheel mounting machines. I don't think I've heard of this brand. Maybe we could talk to one of the reps here. They even have a wheel repair machine over here. guys, this is the finished product over here. Actually kind of reminds me of the stock Corolla wheels, or some of the stock Toyota Camry wheels. It's that exact same. Pretty interesting. Like I was saying, I think that would be really cool if you're doing like a 3-piece OEM stock wheel setup. I think that would look really cool on here. But I'm sure this thing's very expensive.
The wheels. Sorry?
So that one they did.
Is it buying wheels or just demo for?
They look pretty identical as this one, how they come from the factory.
It's just demo.
Well, I must say there's some cool stuff at SEMA, guys. Luckily, we have a full another day to really check it out. I'm trying to make it to the tool area because that's the one I'm most excited for. So I believe it's on the floor right above us. We're just gonna walk down this area a little bit more, see if there's any other cool stuff, and then we'll head up there. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys are really waiting to see the tools, so coming.
Hi.
All right, we got all the cheetahs here.
How's it going?
What's
Hello.
going on today? Hi.
How are you guys?
Hey.
Just filming a YouTube video.
Okay, right on. Not advising.
Oh, yeah?
So, okay.
What is that for?
This is just to see our traffic.
Oh, okay,
Or, like,
okay.
Email lists and stuff too. Like I'm sure you guys can.
I'll put a star by yours. You don't want any email.
It's here.
So if you look at your old CH5 over here,
Yeah.
your standard CH5 has this valve, and the way you blow it off, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Is you turn the valve,
Yeah.
right? You had air in that thing?
I know.
That was nice.
Someone blew his face off.
You know, as the a little bit of air. It wasn't a lot, but it just shocked me. Yeah.
Oh, that was pretty cool with those, what are the Vipers they call them?
Vipers, yep.
Vipers, yeah.
Vipers.
Maybe we could work out a deal with
Not a
them.
cheetah.
And, yeah, not a cheetah. Hopefully see those at work. Those things look a lot better than what we're using.
Because I know tomorrow.
All right, guys, that's it for day one of SEMA. Me and Parker are fucking tired.
Tired.
But we got a full day tomorrow. I think it might be a separate episode. I might catch you guys later. Peace!